Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 10 smart gadgets for EDC in 2025. Gear that makes your everyday carry smarter, more efficient, and absolutely essential. From ultra-compact tools to high-tech innovations, you won't want to miss these. Let's get started. First up, we have the Leatherman Micra, a tiny but mighty multi-tool designed for everyday carry. Don't let its size fool you. This mini gadget packs 10 essential tools in one. You get a sharp knife, screwdrivers, tweezers, and even a nail file, perfect for daily fixes or emergencies. And it's backed by Leatherman's 25-year warranty, so this is a tool you'll have for decades. Ever misplaced your keys or bag? The Tile Bluetooth tracker has got you covered. This smart gadget lets you ring lost items from your phone or use the Tile itself to find your misplaced phone, even if it's on silent. With a 500-foot range, a 1-year battery, and water resistance, this is the ultimate tracking tool. And the best part? It syncs with Life 360 to keep your valuables and family in one connected system. A flashlight? Not just any flashlight. The OLIGHT Arkfeld Pro is a 3-in-1 powerhouse featuring 1,300 lumens of bright white light, a UV light for security checks, and a green laser pointer for presentations or fun. It even has a battery level indicator, so you never run out of power unexpectedly. Sleek, flat, and pocket-friendly, this is an EDC must-have. If your keys are always a mess, this one's for you. The KeySmart Pro transforms your bulky keychain into a sleek, organized multi-tool with built-in Tile tracking. Lose your keys? Simply ping them with the Tile app. Need to find your phone? Just press a button on your KeySmart and your phone will ring, even if it's on silent. It even has an optional flashlight, bottle opener, and quick disconnect clip. This is the smartest way to carry keys in 2025. Next, we have the INIU Magsafe portable charger, an absolute lifesaver for iPhone users. This 10,000 mAh battery pack magnetically snaps to your phone for wireless charging on the go. Need faster charging? The USB-C port delivers 20-watt PD fast charging, juicing up your phone 3.5x faster than standard chargers. Plus, it has temp guard protection to keep your battery safe. For those in the medical field, first responders, or just prepared EDC enthusiasts, these emergency response shears are a game changer. This tool is not just a pair of scissors. It includes 6 different tools, like a ring cutter, oxygen tank wrench, belt cutter, and even a glass breaker. It even has a glow-in-the-dark feature for low-light emergencies. If you're into fitness and smart tracking, the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 is your new best friend. With an AMOLED display that reaches 1200 nits, you can see it even in bright sunlight. It tracks heart rate, blood oxygen, stress levels, and even female health data. Plus, it comes with 150+ sports modes and a 21-day battery life, all in a sleek, water-resistant design. For hands-free calls and crystal-clear music in your car, the BESIGN BK01 Bluetooth car kit is a must. This Bluetooth 5.3 adapter connects to your car's aux input, allowing you to stream music or take calls without touching your phone. It even includes a ground loop noise isolator to eliminate background buzzing, making your audio sound flawless. Bonus, it can connect to 2 phones at once. Another must-have for EDC enthusiasts is the SOG PowerAccess Deluxe multi-tool. This beast has 21 tools in one, including pliers, screwdrivers, saw, can opener, and a 1/4-inch driver for hex bits. What makes it unique? SOG's compound leverage technology, which doubles the gripping power of the pliers. Whether you're on an outdoor adventure or fixing things around the house, this is a must-have survival tool. Last but not least, we have the Anker Nano 3, a tiny but powerful 47-watt charger. This charger has 2 USB-C ports, allowing you to charge 2 devices at once, your iPhone, iPad, or even a MacBook Air. Despite its power, it's smaller than your regular 20-watt charger, making it the perfect travel companion. Plus, Anker's Active Shield 2.0 monitors temperature millions of times per day to ensure safe charging. And there you have it, the top 10 smart gadgets for EDC in 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome tech reviews, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video. Stay smart and stay prepared.